These are famous cookies.
Wow. The famous what? What are they called?
These are called the Ultimate Chocolate Chip Cookie.
Oh, they're very delicious. I do like
They're
them.
Daddy and Ashley and Sarah's favorite.
Other than
Ozark Honey Oatmeal, which is what I'm going to make next. So wait up, Mr. Vlog. I will show you how that's done soon.
Oh, she'll give us a tutorial.
I will.
Mom already
Just
cut.
like being on HGTV.
Yeah. Mom already cut these out, so my dad and I will decorate them soon.
These are Grandma Nelson's famous Ozark Honey Oatmeal Cookies. She gave me this recipe back when I was about your age. So it's been a really long time. So there's not very many ingredients in this. It's pretty easy. You start out with butter, and then we're going to add sugar, 1 3/4 cup of sugar.
Is it normal sugar?
Yep, regular sugar. Well, I mix the rest of the organic sugar that you leave behind in there. Same thing. And then regular sugar. Then we're going to add 2 eggs. Fun fact, do not crack your eggs into your mixing, because that way if you get a shell in, you'll never get it out. So I always crack my eggs into a little bowl.
How much butter did you put in first?
A 1/2 cup, which is a stick of butter. 2 eggs. And I need honey. You'll get me some honey out. 1/3 cup of honey. This is what makes them so stinking good.
These are Dad's favorite.
They're everybody's favorite. At work, they always beg me to bring them. I made 10 dozen of these for our cook-off.
Yeah, I saw that you saved some, and I ate like 5 of them.
And then baking soda is 1 teaspoon.
So 1/2 cup butter, 1 3/4 cup sugar, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup honey, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt.
There's our first 6 ingredients. Then I'm going to do the next set of steps. Get them ready before I mix that stuff up. Now, the next thing is 1 3/4 cup flour.
You might want to rewrite this one day. It's like
I have a bunch of printed ones, but I just grabbed this one. I
like,
don't want to ever get rid of that because that's the one I sat at Grandma Nelson's table.
Yeah, I was just gonna. I was like, oh my gosh, I would just keep this out of the way forever because it's so dirty.
Fun hint about flour: never use what you're measuring it in to scoop it out because it packs it down. And baking is like a science project. It's got to be pretty exact. So you always want to sprinkle into the measuring container and then 1. And I think the next thing is 2 cups of oatmeal, isn't it?
Yes.
1, 2. 2 cups of quick cooking oats, and then 1 cup of coconut. That's the secret ingredient. Nobody knows there's coconut in these cookies, but they are what keeps them so moist. So,
I love coconut.
a cup of coconut. Even people who don't like coconut love these cookies.
Because you can't taste it too much.
You know the coconut is there.
Oh my goodness.
And now I am going to beat them together.
Let's get a little close-up shot.
Go slow at first, just to get the stuff started. And as soon as it starts to come together, just gradually increase the speed.
Nice.
Flour. Now, this one is super important to start slow, because if you don't, it will go everywhere. So start real slow. And as it starts to come together, beat it up gradually. If you hit the side of the bowl, the flour will fall down. Okay, and then I always get a spatula and scrape it down. Then the oatmeal's next.
And then the coconut. Wow.
And there we go. Cookies ready to go.
Wow, let me show them the batter. Looks great.
It looks real simple and just kind of nothing colorful in it, but when we go to put them on the baking sheets, the last secret step is what makes them perfect. So,
We'll cut to that then.
yeah, we'll pause for that.
You're
I have
supposed
to
to go like
confirm
this.
that.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, and then.
Okay, this can go away where you found it.
What's there? So sugar bowl and what?
A Glencairn glass. Because it's got a flat bottom.
Oh.
Alright. Use a small cookie scoop.
$3.50 for 8 to 10 minutes.
Always take your glass and dip it in your cookie dough to make it moist on the bottom so the sugar sticks. And then you just press down, dip, press, dip, press.
Very nice.
Okay, now you can move that one over around there.
We've had the sugar bowl for so long. I love it.
That was Uncle Howard's sugar bowl.
Press. Dip. Press. Dip. Press. Note, don't make them too skinny. It's so funny because my dad recommended that we make one of the gingerbread men look like Charlie Brown. So I walk over to his phone and Charlie Brown is up on his phone. My mom just put butter on top of the little toaster oven underneath our kitchen light so they'll warm up a little bit. That's kind of a smart little hack.
It is a smart little hack. I actually forgot to, I had told you to get them out earlier, but then we started doing something else and they're going to be too cold for my cranberry thing.
Well, that's really smart. These are what the cookies look like when they come out of the oven. So delicious. These ones were the little bit of the flatter ones that I made, but I low-key like them a little bit crunchier, so. Will be good. The cookies so far. My favorite ones to make are the snowflakes. Dad is making his Charlie Brown. Let's see. I'm gonna try my very best. Oh, the hair is gonna be the hardest part. You like it? And these are the finished products for the most part. I feel like the snowflakes always turn out the best. And then the gingerbread guys. And wait, these Christmas trees honestly were really good this year, I think. I think those might be my favorite new ones. Twins. Press this button and now it's recording. So be like,
play, match any number.
Exactly.
and then if you want to see the back, I'll turn this way. And you can see us. There.
When you do that,
We did 1,000
yeah, so then
enough for him.
Does it have Zoom capabilities?
Yeah, so there's like a 1x, and then if I like am going over there, you can press 2x here. Yeah, cool, right?
they go for you.
Selfies.
Yeah, it's like doing selfies.